the CRM platform to grow your business. The first CRM designed by salespeople, for salespeople. Do more to grow your business. Full access. No credit card required. Used by over 100,000 companies. How Pipedrive works. 1. Set up your pipeline. Create the stages of your sales funnel or use an existing template. Add your deals or import them automatically from a spreadsheet or CRM. 2. Track progress. Get automatic alerts and reminders to keep deals on track. Sales forecasts update every time you move a deal down the funnel. 3. Automate growth. Review analytics and use AI technology to help you identify opportunities to close more sales. Automate routine tasks and admin work. Pipedrive Top Features. Revenue forecasting. Full access. No credit card required. Used by over 100,000 companies. Enrich your plan with more features. Capture more leads. Get more leads with this powerful and easy-to-use lead generation toolset. Learn more. See who's browsing your site. Identify which organizations are browsing your website, for how long, how they found you and what they engaged with. Learn more. Manage all your documents in one place. Centralize the entire documentation process by sending trackable quotes, proposals and contracts from within Pipedrive. Learn more. Send awesome email marketing campaigns. Create and send customizable email campaigns with pro templates, built to get more clicks. Learn more. Award-winning CRM software. Pipedrive is recognized as a top-rated CRM tool and has earned over 6 industry-leading awards this year alone. Over 350+ integrations. Expand the capabilities of Pipedrive with hundreds of apps and integrations. Put Pipedrive to the test. Full access. No credit card needed. By signing up, you accept our terms of service and privacy policy. Real-life results and revenue. See how companies like yours have smashed their sales success goals. Pipedrive is created for salespeople. It's the kind of software that just works. I don't have to try to make it work. It already does. It's just perfect. Tiffany Laghi, founder and CEO, Laghi Business Strategies, Sales, USA. Using Pipedrive's CRM is one of the best decisions we've ever made. We've seen our annual revenue explode, and the outlook just keeps getting sunnier. Mitch Workman, Digital Marketing Director, Big Dog Solar, Energy Sector, USA. Will Pipedrive work for me? How will Pipedrive's CRM solution help me improve sales? Pipedrive's visual sales pipeline makes customer relationship management a breeze by allowing you to track leads, spot opportunities, measure key activities, streamline sales workflows and focus on sales success. Automated reminders and follow-ups increase your productivity, eliminating repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Real-time reports show your sales reps and sales managers what business processes to prioritize. Our customers averaged 28% more deals in their first year. Pick your plan. Pipedrive is ranked as the best value, easiest to set up and easiest to use CRM. Compare our different tiers and choose the best one for you. Will Pipedrive work for a big team? Yes. Pipedrive's CRM platform is well suited for small businesses and enterprise organizations alike. We empower your large sales team to be more effective when it comes to customer interactions with interactive CRM features like a progress tracker, sales automation, procession forecasting, an activity-based planner, and top security. Large teams also benefit from a dedicated account manager, whose role is to help make the most out of your Pipedrive account and help you with the onboarding of team members and best practices for pipeline management. Many of our enterprise customers have increased new accounts by double digits, while seeing revenue soar by over 40%. Used by over 100,000 companies in 179 countries. The ability to completely customize the data fields and workflow gives me a tailor-made CRM. Much different than my past experiences with these types of programs. The mobile app is just as functional as the desktop version, and even has a few little extras. Chris Walpert, Managing Member, Group Benefit Solutions. Having a powerful CRM tool such as Pipedrive in our arsenal has been essential to the success of our sales team. With its easy-to-use and well-designed interface, it definitely keeps us organized and on track. Crystal Kruastuk, Founder and Chief Testing Officer, Testlio. It's the best sales tracking software that's so easy to customize as we go. CRM FAQs. 1. What is Customer Relationship Management? Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, for short, refers to the technology and processes that an organization uses to manage its contacts and relationships, both external and internal. These relationships can be with customers, sales leads, advocates, investors, and job applicants. This means that, although the C in CRM stands for customer, these processes and tools can be used to manage much else besides. Read more in our guide to what is CRM. 2. What is CRM software? CRM software, also known as CRM platforms or systems, specifically refers to the technology organizations use to manage relationships and processes. Typically, these CRM tools enable users to track their activities, manage communications with other parties, measure the impact of their and their team's actions, and forecast revenue. The top CRMs also integrate with other business tools, such as email marketing, document management, and website tracking software. 3. What is CRM in marketing? Though CRM means the same in marketing as it does in sales, marketers normally have different responsibilities when it comes to customer relationship management. These marketing activities include sending and tracking email campaigns, generating high-quality leads, and managing relationships with content partners. 4. How do I choose a CRM? Choosing the right CRM for your business requires research and testing. Many CRMs, including Pipedrive, offer new users a 14-day free trial to see if the software suits their needs. 3 key criteria when looking for the best CRM are ease of use, onboarding, and results orientation. You should also make sure your industry can use the interactive CRM and that it can be scaled to accommodate your needs as your business grows. Learn more on how to choose the best CRM. 5. How do you connect CRM to Facebook? Many CRMs have native integrations with Facebook. For example, you can integrate Pipedrive with Facebook through our Marketplace app. You can also connect CRM platforms to Facebook through Zapier and other integration tools. Facebook lead ads and Pipedrive, for example, can be synced up so that you can track your social media lead efforts in real time. 6. Which apps can I connect with Pipedrive? Pipedrive integrates with hundreds of tools and apps through the Pipedrive marketplace. As well as Facebook and Zapier, our CRM marketplace integrations include Xero, WhatsApp, Trello, Zoom and more. You can find Pipedrive integrations with email marketing tools, video calling apps, phone solutions and analytics platforms.